Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is so random. I just decided to look vlog out of nowhere. So welcome back guys. My name is Theo-Doll if you are new here, and if you are a returning study, thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you stay, and I hope you like the content, and also comment down below for engagement. So yeah guys, randomly I was at work, so it's a Saturday today, I think the last day of the month. Yeah, it's a Saturday. I'm like, no man, I miss vlogging, so this would be episode 3 of Vlogtober. Yeah guys, I haven't even edited the first 2, but if you see this video, obviously I would have posted them by then. I just don't know who will see how I'm gonna maneuver this. I thought I had it planned out, but I've been too busy. So yeah, it's after the wedding, a week later after the wedding. So yeah, decided let me just start a vlog. I'm from work, it's in the afternoon. I had 4 clients this morning today, so I'm like, no man, I miss vlogging, let me just start a weekend vlog. And yeah, I'm driving back to my place, and I'm thinking of having a small braai for 2 with my menzies, because he had sponsored a grocery. So I'm like, no man, let me just do this cute little thing for my menzies. So on Monday, when we came back on Sunday, and then on Monday I had a small braai with the boyfriend, my friend, and her boyfriend. So we're chilling, but I was not in the mood to vlog, so I did a small thing on my I took snippets of the day and I posted it on my TikTok. So please follow me guys on TikTok. So if you follow me on TikTok, you would have probably saw that little thingy. So there's this thing I want to try. We tried that Jagermeister and Amarula thing, which I had seen on TikTok, and I'm like, I'm gonna try this, because I am not a Jagermeister fan, but we were given a bottle. Woo! Guys, I'm driving and I'm a taxi driver, so we were given a bottle of Jaeger, and I was like, okay, since we didn't drink it at the wedding, let me just try this thing out. So yeah, I still have a cream left from that, so I'm like, baby, I want to try this, but with a strawberry liqueur. So it's the same thing as what you call, woo, it's the same thing as Amarula. It's just that it's strawberry flavored. So that's what I'm gonna try today. Ordered the groceries online, and yeah, when I get home we're gonna do a quick grocery haul, and then we start our young braai nesbari, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye. So this is our grocery. It looks like 1,000 rands worth of groceries, and this was 2 million. It was 2 million. So what we have is the African juice. So this is what I was telling you guys about on the way. We're gonna try this with the Jagermeister. Baby pig. And then we got frozen slab chips.
But why? Why?
Because I like chips. And then we have butternuts, frozen butternuts. We have yeast because tomorrow I want to make dambalo. I've been craving for dambalo, so tomorrow I'm gonna make dambalo. Because it's chopped, and I don't want to start from scratch chopping our butternuts and stuff. And then we have okusala ukupheka khona. And then we have ready to braai pork lollipops. So we're gonna have that now. And then I got paprika and cumin because I ran out of them. Have basil pesto for breakfast sandwiches. I got bacon. So these were on special by 2 for a discounted price. And then I got cream. I'm gonna make cream with spinach tomorrow. And I got mozzarella cheese. You guys know the drill. In this house, we like that wrapped thingy. Chicken breast. So I do it with mozzarella. Remember, I tried it with cheddar cheese. It didn't taste that great, so mozzarella does the trick. And I got vanilla ice cream because Omanyaputi likes ice cream. So I was like, let me add it. And then I got chicken livers. Either I'm gonna do this with pasta or for breakfast. And then I got liquid fruit juice. They were on special. Yeah, it was by 3 for a discounted price. And then I got chicken breast, spinach for creamy spinach tomorrow. I have avocado, ripe and ready avocado. Probably gonna do baby for the papa for the braai yako. Do you want papa? Okay, so I'm probably gonna do this tomorrow. With green salad, and then got some veggies, onions, tomatoes, potatoes. It was by 3 for a certain price. And then I got mixed peppers. Always cook with them. And I got olives for green salad. Got mushrooms for our chicken breast. So I did it for Rindot at the other time, and then he liked it. So that's the reason I got it again. I'm gonna be doing it. And then I got strawberries for romantic nights. Got that. I'm joking. I'm gonna be garnishing our drink with these to make it look cute. And then I've got 6-pack of permanent milk, but budgets. The cereal. It's cereal. Yeah, cut like. And I got 2 Jacobs coffee. So they were on special as well. Buy 1, actually buy 2 for a discounted price as well. So I got gold and Kronach. Because it's what you call iced coffee season. So I'm like, yeah, milk and coffee. And then yeah, all of these costed 1.7. Njengoba omunye ubhuti athi 500. I don't know which world he lives in. See you guys later.
where you are really in control of things. That is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
The next day.
Because of these things. Hi guys. So it's, what day is it today? Monday, my day off, and we are at McDonald's looking like a para and stuff. So the last time I spoke to you guys was on Saturday, and then yesterday I didn't vlog. I was tired. Came back from work, and then I cooked a hearty meal. Like I said, I wanted to do dumbo and stuff. I did all of that. Insert a picture here for you guys to see. I was chilling with the boyfriend and the girlfriend. Pumzi. And I'm with her right now. Say hi. Good morning.